I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you're going on a crazy big hike, you're going to need all the support that you need.
And if you want the Fit Life, you got to try these FitLife Nordic hiking sticks. Fully extended, they are about 53 inches, so they're able to work for varying heights. And when they're fully collapsed, 26 inches, you can keep it in the bag or put it on the sides of your backpack when you're not using them. The handle is adjustable and the cork grips are so comfortable. It's got 2 spots where you can adjust the height of the stick, so it works for any size. And the side dial can be twisted to make sure it is stable for when you put pressure on it. It's got a bottom that's great for dirt terrain. It's got these great clips that keep the poles in place so that you can easily put it into the carry case. And it just really makes such a big difference. The manual gives you such great advice on how to adjust. It's got a variety of different feet that you can put on it. You have dirt roads, a spike for ice. It's got a snow basket, a mud or sand basket. So no matter where you go, what you're wanting to see, these sticks are going to help you keep on going strong during any long hike. And that's what it did for us in the Grand Canyon.
Check these out. I was blown away by the quality and how easy they were to use and to have by our side while we undertook that huge hike. And that's my point of view.